How to eliminate mucus and phlegm from your throat and chest. Instant result. Nasal and throat obstructions are the major causes of coughs and breathing difficulties, due to the accumulated phlegm in the lungs. Phlegm is the sticky substance secreted by the respiratory system as a way to protect itself, and its role is to trap all dust, allergens, and viruses. However, its excessive buildup leads to coughing, colds, bacterial infections, etc. It is accompanied by a weakened body, a runny nose, breathing difficulties, a fever, and coughs. If not eliminated on time, the accumulated phlegm can cause an obstruction in the bronchial tubes, leading to additional health problems. However, the following natural remedies are an excellent way to eliminate the excess phlegm from the body and prevent such complications. 1. Turmeric. The active ingredient of turmeric, curcumin, provides strong antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which eliminate bacteria that cause mucus and reduces phlegm while boosting the immune system. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of warm water, add half a teaspoon of salt and stir. Gargle the mixture 3 times daily for a few minutes, to treat respiratory infections and eliminate phlegm in the chest. 2. Honey and lemon. The combination of lemon and honey treats respiratory issues and offers potent antibacterial and antifungal properties. It boosts the immune system and prevents congestion. In a bowl, mix a tablespoon of organic honey and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and consume it 3 times daily to fight congestion and eliminate excess phlegm. 3. Salt water. To soothe a sore throat, clear phlegm, and destroy germs, gargle warm salt water twice daily. In a cup of filtered water, add half to 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and stir well to dissolve it. Sip a bit of the mixture and tilt the head back slightly. You should let the solution wash into your throat without drinking it. Then, gently blow air up from the lungs to gargle for about a minute, and then spit out the water. 4. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation will loosen mucus in the lungs and help its elimination from the body. In a larger saucepan, boil half a teaspoon of thyme and rosemary in water, and remove from heat. Cover the head with a towel, and start inhaling the steam. Repeat a few times daily. You should also take a hot bath twice daily to break down the mucus easily. To boost the effects, add a few drops of some essential oil, like tea tree oil, since they offer powerful antimicrobial effects. 5. Ginger. Ginger offers powerful expectorant, antiviral and antibacterial properties that treat throat and chest congestion, and prevent respiratory issues and infections. Therefore, make sure you eat 3 to 4 ginger slices daily or drink a few cups of ginger tea. To prepare it, in a saucepan with boiling water, add 6 ginger slices, and a teaspoon of peppercorn. Boil for a few minutes, and leave it to simmer for 5 more minutes over medium heat. When cooled down, add a teaspoon of honey,